Hartford penalty number 11, Chris Nugo, 2 minutes for cross-checking. Penalty 11-11. Hartford's Nugo in 2 for cross-checking at 11-11. With that penalty, your Soundtrackers are on a AAA power play.